Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert from htmltim.com here. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to discuss running Ruby scripts from right inside the Pulsar text editor. So the first script I'm going to show you is just a simple script where we print an item from a nested array. In the second example, I'm actually going to run the script that writes to a file, and this is something I use to create mad minutes for my mathematics students. So you'll see in this first example we have a nested array here, and I have this value A, and if I wanted to print the array I would do puts array, or ARR is the name that I called it, and I would go to index 2, so that's this row here, and then within that row I would go to index 0. Okay? If I want to run this, and let me move this out of the way, I'm just going to type Alt-R. Okay? And that goes ahead and runs it with this package called Atom Runner. I'll show you that in a moment. Okay? So that's running a simple script, but it also works for running a script that writes to a file. So this script here I use to create mad minutes. This script here will create 100 mad minutes problems. You have a function that creates the problem, whether it's addition or subtraction. You open this file here. And then I run a little while loop where it runs through, creates some random numbers, and writes to the file, creates an HTML file. I tend to open that in the browser and then print as PDF, and that's how I make my mad minutes. I know it's a little weird, but anyways, and then I close the file down here. Okay, so to run this, I'm going to do Alt-R, and I don't know if you noticed that, but this test.html popped up on the side here, and it has this HTML document with the 100 problems that were just created. So I can show you that again. Let's just delete this file. So let's go here. We'll delete it. Move to trash. Okay, and I'm going back to this file. Alt-R. You'll see the file's created again on the side there. And boom, we got the file. So what package am I using to do this? Well, it's a package called Atom Runner. Okay, so if I go to my installed packages here, you'll see I have this package called Atom Runner. To install it, you just go here to install and type in Atom Runner. Okay, and it'll come up. Now, the one thing I should note about this package is that there is a deprecation warning here, so it hasn't been updated in a little while. So it will give you that. Hopefully the package will be updated. It's a great package. It does work for my purposes, but just be aware of that. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, could you please give it a like? And if you like videos where you can learn more about the Pulsar text editor, I have a whole bunch on my channel, so please subscribe to the channel. You can learn a lot about this great editor. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.